Na, 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 yeah.
Amor de verano.
Na, 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 na. You know what? Maybe you remember when we met on the beach, when you showed me the way from the day we always be together in our hearts, in our minds. Nothing could throw it away. Na 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 na, yeah. Na 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 na. Quiero ver la sonrisa de tu boca, el sabor de tu piel con su perfume de miel. Quiero ver el brillo de tus ojos, el calor de la luz con la que me miras tú. Na, 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 yeah. Na, 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 na. Show me the things that we felt in the time we were dreaming. Show me now, feeling now. Quiero oír los versos de tus labios y sentir junto a ti la melodía de tu voz. Na, 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 yeah. Na, 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 na. Na, 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 yeah.
'cause I'm complicated. You're as straight as they come. You go about your day, baby, while I hide from the sun. It's better if you don't understand, 'cause you won't know what it's like until you try. You know I've been waiting on the other side, and you, all you gotta do is cross the line. I could've waited a whole lifetime, but you just got it inside. You know I've been waiting on the other side.
We would live forever. Who could ask for more? You could die if you wanted, but baby, what for? It's better if you don't understand, and you won't know what it's like until you try.
You know
I'll be waiting on the other side, and you, all you gotta do is cross the line. I could've waited a whole lifetime, but you just got to decide. You know I'll be waiting on the other side.
If they say life's a dream, call this insomnia. 'Cause this ain't Wonderland, it damn sure ain't Narnia. And once you cross the line, you can't change your mind. Yeah, I'm a monster, but I'm no Frankenstein. And quite frankly, I've been feeling insane in between my eyes. I really can't explain what I feel inside. If you knew what I was, you'd run and hide. Many have tried to go into the night and cross over the line and come back alive, but that's the